If you use dirty or do, it's either way it's going to be what? Divide. M is for what?
Multiply.
Multiply. S is what? Subtract. B is what? I will use an arrow to say what? Bring down. Bring down. And then what is the S? S means what? Start over. Start what? Over. Once you get here, you need to start over. Start over from what? Division. Okay, you go back to division until you're done with your all of the numbers you're given. What was the total from yesterday? In the problem, what was the total? You know what? I need this side of the room. Is that her? Yes. What was the total from yesterday's problem? What was the total? Very good. The total was what? 730. And it's a division problem. Was that the dividend or the divisor? Was that the dividend or the divisor? That was the what?
Dividend.
That was the dividend. So you guys looked at Ms. McCourt's work today, right? Ms. McCourt should be happy. They're looking at your work. So what was the divisor then? What was the divisor? Everybody should tell me. What was the divisor from the problem?
Say it out loud.
Say it out loud, everyone. It was what? 6. Okay? So we're going to use this strategy to solve this problem quickly. I need all eyes on me. Put your pencils down, all eyes on me. Now, okay. So, what's the first thing we need to do? Divide. So usually you look at the very first, what? Digit. The first digit. So what this simply means is, if I have 7, can I share it to 6 people? That's what 7 divided by 6 means. I have 7, can I share it to 6 people? Yes or no?
Yes.
How many would each person get?
1.
1. So 7 divided by 6 is 1. I've divided. Next step is what? Multiply. What's 1 times what?
6.
6. What's 1 times 6?
6.
Okay? So usually if you're starting this process, I say put a check. Put a check to help you keep track. You just in your side say I have divided, I have multiplied. What's the next step? You need to what? Subtract. So what's 7 minus 6?
1.
What's 7 minus 6? 1. So we'll subtract that, so we'll put a little what? Check. Next is bring down. Bring down the next digit. Bring down the what? 3. So once we bring down, what do we need to do? Start what? Over. Start over from what? Divide. So we're back to step 1. So you keep going back until there's no more digits in the dividend. Comprende? See? Yes? Okay, I'll find out. So now we're starting over. So we have 13. If you have 13 pieces of candy, can you make groups of 6 from 13? Yes or no? How many groups can you make? How many groups of 6 can you make from 13?
2.
Very good. 2. So now we have divided again, right? Come back and put a what? Check. What do I need to do next?
Excuse the interruption. At this time, teachers, we need you to check your emails. Teachers, check your emails.
What do we need to do next? Multiply. What's 2 times 6?
12.
Okay, 12. I'll put check. And then next, I need to what? Subtract. 3 minus 2?
1.
This is what? 0.
1.
So, next, what do I need to do?
Bring down.
Bring down. Is there a digit to bring down?
Yes.
So you bring it what? Down. What are we bringing down? 2. So now we have what?
12.
12. Are we done?
No.
Once you bring down, guess what? You have to go and start over. Okay, so we did this. This is the second time. This is the second time. So we're starting over. Starting over from what?
Divide.
Divide. What's 12 divided by 6? How many groups of 6 can you make out of 12? How many?
2.
2 times 6 is what?
12.
So you can do a quick check for yourself, okay? So it's 2. So next, what are we doing? After you divide, what's next?
You multiply.
Multiply what by what?
6 times 2.
6 times what? 2 or 2 times 6 is what?
12.
Next, what do we need to do?
Subtract.
We need to subtract. Then what's 12 minus 12?
0.
Then next we need to what? We need to what?
Bring down.
Is there anything else to bring down?
No.
So what do we do at this point?
That's the remainder.
Is there a remainder?
No.
Is there a remainder?
No.
Is 0 a remainder?
No.
No. So what do we need to do? Stop. Guess what? So what would be your answer?
122.
Your answer would be what? 122. So now you can tell me. We went over it from the beginning. What's the answer to a division problem?
The answer to a division problem is
Mhm.
122.
Okay. What's the word for it? This is your what? The who said quotient?
Quotient.
Kiss your brain for me. Kiss that brain. Thank you.
I didn't know that.
You guys told me this was the dividend, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And so Miss McCord, they know that this is their dividend. So you need to say thank you, Miss McCord. Yeah. So the 6 is the what?
The 6 is the divisor.
The 6 is the divisor. Divisor, right?
Yeah.
Guess what an answer to a division problem is called? Somebody just told us, it's called a what? Quotient. This is the answer to a division problem. What's the answer to a multiplication problem? It's called the what? Product. It's called the product. What's the answer to an addition problem? It's called the sum. Sum. Okay? Subtraction is what? It escaped my mind. Okay, so that's it for this step. So get your journal, continue, put this in your journal for now.